Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Hello, dear students. Today we begin a very exciting challenge. English Listening Challenge. Fast or slow? Listening is the key to understanding real English. Without listening, speaking becomes very hard. Today, you will learn how to listen both to slow English and fast English. Don't worry, we will practice step by step. In the beginning, I will speak slowly. Later, we will speed up to real-life English. This will train your ears. It will also make you confident. So, are you ready to join me? Let's begin our English adventure together. Many students say, "Maria, I don't understand fast English." This is normal. Don't feel bad. Native speakers speak quickly, they cut words, and they mix sounds. At first, you only catch a few words, but step by step, your brain learns patterns. Slow English helps you understand clearly. Fast English makes you strong in real life. That's why today we combine both. You will see the difference immediately. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's warm up with a slow sentence. Listen, I am happy to learn English today. Repeat after me, slowly. I am happy to learn English today. Very good. Now a little faster. I'm happy to learn English today. Did you hear the change? The words connect together. This is natural English. Practice both ways every day. Your ears will get stronger. Here is another example. Slow. What are you doing now? Repeat. What are you doing now? Perfect. Now faster. What you doing now? Did you hear the difference? Native speakers make it short. This is called connected speech. At first it sounds strange, but with practice it becomes easy. Listening has 3 levels: slow, medium, and fast. Slow English trains your brain step by step. Medium English gives you real practice. Fast English prepares you for movies, songs, and native talk. We will practice all 3 today. Don't be afraid of fast English. Just relax and listen. Focus on keywords, not every word. With time, your brain fills the gaps. That's the secret of fluent listening. Let's try a daily conversation. Slow. Hello, how are you today? Medium. Hello, how are you today? Fast. Hey, how you doing? All 3 mean the same. The meaning never changes, only the sound is different. This is why practice is important. Repeat each version 3 times. Smile and enjoy the sound of English. Here's a listening exercise for you. I will read a short story slowly. Then I will read the same story fast. You compare and see what you catch. Story. Tom wakes up early. He drinks coffee. He goes to work. Now faster. Tom wakes up early, drinks coffee, goes to work. Did you notice the rhythm? Words connect, but the meaning is clear. This exercise trains your brain like magic. Repeat this story with me. Slow. I wake up early. Medium. I wake up early. A bit faster. Fast. Wake up early. Listen 3 times, repeat 3 times. Do this every day. You will notice big changes. Your listening will improve. Your speaking will become faster. Practice makes progress. Many beginners ask, should I only listen to slow English? The answer is, start slow, but move forward. If you stay slow, you never grow. You must challenge yourself. But don't jump too quickly. Think of it like riding a bicycle. First, you ride slowly to balance. Then, you ride faster. Finally, you enjoy the speed. That's the secret of English listening. Let's practice with questions. Slow. Where are you from? Medium. Where are you from? Fast. Where are you from? Great. You see the difference. Now answer. I am from India. Medium. I am from India. Fast. From India. Same meaning, different sound. Keep repeating daily. Another fun tip is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. Don't wait. Copy immediately. Even if you miss a word, continue. This makes your brain super active. It also trains your mouth muscles. Try this with movies or YouTube. Slow it down first, then play it fast. Your fluency will grow like magic. Music is also a great tool. Songs are usually fast and connected. At first, they sound impossible, but choose easy songs. Read the lyrics slowly, then sing with the music. Your ears will love it. Your tongue will copy it. Soon, fast English will be fun, and you will sing with confidence. Movies and series are another secret. Turn on subtitles at first. Listen slowly, read slowly. Then turn subtitles off. Try medium speed. Finally, watch again at full speed. You will understand much more. This is how native speakers learn too. Step by step, fast English becomes natural. So never give up. Keep watching. Now, let's test your listening one more time. Slow. She is learning English every day. Medium. She's learning English every day. Fast. She's learning English every day. Repeat all 3. Smile as you practice. Feel the rhythm of English. Don't fight it. Flow with it. Your brain is amazing. Trust the process. You are improving right now. Congratulations. You completed today's listening challenge. You learned the difference between slow, medium, and fast English. You practiced with stories, questions, and conversations. You learned shadowing, music, and movies for training. Remember, listening is the foundation of speaking. The more you listen, the better you speak. So practice every day, even 10 minutes. Never give up. Keep enjoying English. Fast or slow, you are growing. See you in the next challenge, my dear students.